For running the tests, I'm just starting the caps on the threads, on the container threads, just to make sure they are not crooked, and to make sure that when the final torque is applied, the cap will not be traveling vertically on the container threads. So this is how I test a batch, or this is how I start testing a batch, and then depending on the top load and torque settings, I change parameters in the machine. This is our top load chuck, which means it can apply a certain amount of top load. It's a spring loaded chuck, so just for example, if I wanted to apply 10 pound force on the top of the cap, I would place the cap and the container on the platform, close the clamp, and drive the platform up. And drive it up so far that my readout goes up to 10 pounds. And I determine the scale by applying or placing certified weights on the top of the collet. So this scale is accurately reflecting what top load is applied on the cap at the end. And with this specific chuck we can go from 0 to 20 inch-pounds of top load. So this would be a 10 pound force top load on the cap. So after hand tightening the caps or starting the threads on the container, I would select cap application and start applying certain top load or certain torque set point on the caps, making sure that the top load is not influencing the torque readout. So in this configuration, when I'm applying torque, I'm minimizing the top load force during the application, and then I start the test. And in this instance I'm applying 30 inch-pounds on the cap. When it applied 30 inch-pounds, and then depending on the top load setting, I could set it to 5, 10, 15 pound force of top load and then measure the removal torque. So I'm just going to set it to approximately 10 pound force of top load. And to confirm that my setting is correct, look at the scale here, turn the clamps on, drive the head up, and turn on the chuck. And it's a little bit too much, so I'm gonna fine tune my setting, and right now it's set at 10. So just to confirm, cycle it again and it goes back right to 10. So this would be my 10 pound force top load, and in the next step I'll measure the removal torque on a cap that I previously applied to 30 inch-pounds. And I got 15.4 inch-pounds as the removal torque, on the cap that was applied initially to 30 inch-pounds, while the top load force during removal is 10 pound force.